Welcome to Create Arts Online. I am Jen Cushman, and I am so excited to share with you Ready, Set, Resin, a mixed media masterclass in epoxy resin. What I have created here is a complete online course for stunning resin jewelry and mixed media embellishments. You will discover why resin jewelry isn't just a craft. It's an art form that is so much easier than you think. Even if you are someone who's never worked with resin before, this course will quickly and efficiently take you from curious beginner to confident creator. And for those of you who have worked with epoxy resin before, I am revealing advanced techniques that will elevate your work. And it will have people asking, where did you get that gorgeous piece? How did you do that? I've designed this course to take you from A to Z when it comes to learning and working with a jeweler's grade resin, 2-part epoxy resin. We will start with a simple 1 image, 1 bezel, and then we will work our way up to multiple layers of collage, inclusions, and texture. I will show you how to use dried flowers and spices. Yes, common kitchen spices for color and texture and 3-dimensionality. I will demonstrate a foolproof way to use backless bezels that will give you transparency and depth with each and every piece that you create. If you have struggled or wanted to learn how to create the perfect dome on your resin, you will see this over and over again so you can easily repeat it on every piece that you create. You'll create stunning focals you'll see here with color and unique projects. They really are the star of the show, and they only need a simple chain necklace to finish them off. This course is broken up into chapters for each project, allowing you to dive in where you are in your resin experience. I recommend starting at the beginning, watching the entire course before creating, and then diving in. Whether you're a craft maker for fun, creating gifts for family and friends, or you're an advanced artist who learns here at Create Arts Online for your craft shows or your virtual store, this course should resonate and inspire you. Are you ready to transform liquid resin into fun pieces that stops conversation and starts compliments? I have included a PDF for download of my favorite tools, materials, and resources, as well as the option to purchase a kit. Let's get started.
Jen, thank you so much for being here at Create Arts Online. I am so excited to have you here. We have been talking about this for, a bunch of years, and now it's finally happening. And it's just going to be amazing for our community to now get to learn all of your techniques.
I am so excited to be here, and I cannot wait to share this with your virtual community and your online community. I've been kind of hoarding this a little bit, and I've been hanging on to this class because I didn't want to do it myself, because I wanted to make sure that it was done right, and I really wanted to give it the kind of service and attention that it really deserves.
Yay, and here we are. I'm so excited. So let's talk a little bit about your background, how we got to here. This didn't just happen in a vacuum. You have learned and taught yourself and worked years and years to create this type of resin jewelry.
Absolutely. I am a 25-year overnight success story. That's what I am.
So stealing that.
I've been working at that for a long time. Actually, my son's 25, and I always did writing before this. And when he was a baby, I found scrapbooking. And, scrapbooking for collage artists it used to be the gateway drug, you know what I mean, to be the thing that would get you in. So I started doing scrapbooking, but, I wasn't... I got kicked out of the club. I got kicked out of the scrapbooking club pretty quickly. So Mom's Club let me stay in, but they kicked me out of the art club. And so I was just using a lot of weird textures and things. And so I just started playing. I started using my contemporary images, but then I started using all of these mixed media techniques. And way back then, we didn't have a name for it. And I was so excited, and I was sharing it with one of my best girlfriends, and she's like, I want to see it. I want to see it. And I'm like, no, it's weird. Nobody's allowed to see it. It's just so strange. So she finally let me see it. She came over and she said, I know what this is. And I'm like, what? There's a name for it? She goes, yeah, it's altered art. And I'm like, altered art? You mean I'm altered? And she's like, you're altered, baby. And I'm like, that makes a lot of sense. I'm altered. So that just started leading me into, I really started with collage because I really am not I didn't want to call myself an artist because I didn't really know how to draw, all those other kind of things. So I just started with collage. And then when I stumbled onto resin and I realized that it's just little mini collages that I can stick under this magical elixir of a medium and then I could wear them. It set me on this path. And literally I've been doing and teaching and going around the world and experimenting with resin since about 2008.
Wow.
So it's been amazing. A bit.
And so let's talk about that resin for a second here, because I never have poured it, seen it, mixed it. I mean, I'm an artist, but in a little bit of a different medium. And so this was like such a now gateway for me, because I'm like, oh, it just takes those 2 bottles and some mixing. Hello. And so talk a little bit about when you introduce this to people that have never done this before.
Well, that was the whole part, and really why the teaching kind of took off. This was a product that if you put it on the shelves, people are kind of interested in it, but it's a little frightening looking. It's like, it's 2 parts. You have to mix them perfectly.
And bubbles.
Bubbles. We're afraid you're going to get out the scale. And then if you go online, there's machines that like vacuum things that pull the bubbles out. I mean, it's frightening. Like you can go down the resin rabbit hole and go, I don't think so. And really, when I started teaching the classes, my whole intention was like, look, this is so easy. It is a part A, it's a part B. You put it together. It's magical. It's alchemy. It's chemistry. It's right in front of your eyes. And the results that you can get out of it are professional and gorgeous straight out of the gate.
Yeah.
And it really is a super easy, magical alchemy elixir. Elixir. Yeah, exactly.
And then talk about the chapters, because you really do start with the very first, which is a single image under, the resin with the bezel. And then you step it up, because someone that is brand new to this could really like start with the first project, go all the way through and finish it.
Absolutely.
And do each of the projects that you offer.
Right. I am a big believer in my teaching and layered learning. And that's just really important for me in every way. It's the way I learn best, right? So, I try to remember, even though I've been teaching for over 25 years now, because I started making and then started teaching pretty quickly, right? And so what happens is I really learned that if I can get the fundamentals and the basics, I mean, if I literally can have somebody say, here's the cap, here's the line, here's where you cut it, and then start from there. Yes. Like, I have to remember as a teacher and an instructor that, you may be an expert in a different medium, but you're not an expert in this medium.
I'm a student.
So start from the beginning and then get confidence. And then once you have it and you do it successfully, then you have the confidence to keep going.
Yes.
So I did these chapters when I sat down. It was a lot of thinking, again, lots of years, lots of classes of teaching of like, okay, how do I take somebody that really needs to take the cap off, cut at the line, and start there, all the way to the advanced artist, which I know there are so many on Create Arts Online that are doing their own virtual storefronts and craft fairs. So how can I best be of service to everybody from the very beginning all the way up to the creator who has done it all with resin and still wants to up-level their skills?
Absolutely. And in this course, she does teach you how to make many of the pieces that you see here. And so it is all achievable. It is all doable. And I'm just so excited to get this out. Is there anything else you want to add?
No, I just want to make sure that one of my messages in life is just, you can feel the fear, but do it anyway.
Exactly.
Okay, fear, there's either fear or there's love. There's really no other choice. And it's that way in life, it's that way in relationships, it's that way in friendships, and it's that way in art and resin.
And resin. All right, well, thank you so much for bringing this to Create Arts Online, and I cannot wait to see what our community creates.
Oh my gosh. I hope you guys, please, I love seeing student work. Show me what you've done.
Yes.
I will be cheering along. I'll be your cheerleader in the back, and I'll be doing all that. So share with me, please.
Yes, thank you.